Hello everyone, welcome to Email United video, and today we are going to learn how to make a main menu in Unity with buttons just like you see right here. We're going to learn how to import a background and also to create a simple buttons on the main menu. Alright, let's begin. Alright, first let's start fresh. Let's go on File. Let's create a new scene. Let's save it and let's call it main menu. Let's put it in the scene folder. Alright, first let's go on UI. Let's click on raw image right here, and now let's go to Google. Let's import a background. Let's click on images, and also let's write night background, and you can pick any background that you want in your background scene, and then just import it to the materials. You can put it in material. For right now, I have a background. I'm just gonna grab the background and import it to the raw image texture like this, and then I'm gonna size it to the camera scene. Let me click on this. Alright, and then let's size it all the way up, all the way to the side. Let's stretch it out. Boom. Simple as that. Alright, and next we are gonna click on canvas, and on UI let's click on text. Alright, we have the text. Let's make it bigger. Alright, and let's move it up a little more. Up. Okay, this is good. And then let's go on color. Let's put it white. You can put any color that you desire, but for right now I'm gonna go for white, and I'm gonna write, you can write any title. I'm gonna write Email Unity. And then I'm gonna click on the paragraph alignment, and I'm gonna click the center. Alright, let's put the font size to 50. Alright, and then let's stretch it out a little more. Alright, this is good. And also, if you have a font, you can grab, let's click on the text. If you have a font just like I do, you can grab it and drop it in the font right here, just to make it look nicer, just like this. But you don't really need it if you don't want to. And next, let's create the buttons. Alright, and on canvas, let's click on UI, and then let's click on button. Here we go. And then on the button, let's bring this down. Let's click on text, and let's write play, just like that. Alright, and let's click on button. Let's go right here. Let's put some nice image type to it. Let's click on slice, and let's click simple like this, and let's size it a little more. Let's make it smaller like this. This is good. Alright, and let's name this play button, just like that. And let's duplicate it. Control D on window. Just duplicate it again. Here we go. Alright, and let's click this, let's bring it down. Then let's click on the third button, let's bring this down. Alright, and then for the second button, I'm gonna name this, control button. Controls. That's right, control button. Alright, and then let's bring the text down, and on the text, let's write controls. There you go. And then on the third button, let's write credits. Let's write credit. Credit button. There you go. And then let's expand it down, and then on the text, let's write credits. Simple as that. Alright, and let's click on the buttons, and let's make sure that we put it in the middle like this. And if you want, you can put the buttons anywhere you want to. You can bring them to the side, and grab the second one, bring this down here, and grab the third one and bring it right here. Simple as that. Alright, and also if you want to put some colors to your buttons, you can easily click on button and go right here. You go on color, and you can set any color that you want to. Simple as that. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and remember, if you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe and like for more videos. Goodbye for now.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.